Huh.
You don't have to, okay, you're not even that close yet. I was gonna say, you don't have to like crank it down, just, it's what?
It's kind of stripping it a little bit.
In the head?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's, okay, back it up. Did you wax these? Oh, I thought we'd already had it on once, you know, that's what's going on. Go ahead, yeah. You might want to just ream that with a slightly bigger drill bit. So you can. There's no reason to fight with that thing. All right, let's see. Let's use a little guy. They don't need to be this long. That's the thing. They're just the only ones I had because they're pickup screws. Man. Come on. This is what I was talking about the other day when I said I want to get a set of numbered drills, because they're like all the in-between sizes. But I'm not sure what this wood was, but it's pretty hard stuff. Hopefully we didn't go, it's just the pickups making noise. Didn't go too oversized. It's actually the right screwdriver for these. Oh, much more better. Alrighty, go for it. And demonstrate this one more time. Okay. You get your fingers right here, and you can push down hard because you know you're not going to slip off into the screw. So you're not bouncing, you know, through that little. Because if you go loose, you know, you click in and out. You want to stay in there. And then when you do get down here, you don't want to tighten it all the way up yet. You get your other ones in, and then you really don't need to tighten it because you don't want to dimple the plastic. You just want to go down until it's just touching. Let's just do it this way. Alright, I'll just hold it. Yeah, let's hold it this way. Now you'd be working left-handed, you don't want to do that. You're not left-handed, right? Okay. You can go ahead and get them in there, and you can start them with the hand driver, or here, just use this. Same thing though. They're not even into the neck yet, so we just want to get them. Okay, there, see it, they go down there. We got the holes in the body a little bigger than the neck holes, so that it doesn't bind up. Do the bottom two first. Be very careful. Okay, stop. Take that other one in a little bit. Okay, now the top two. Alright, that's good right there. Alright, now you're going to finish it off with the hand screwdriver. So the number 2, that's the number 1, or number, excuse me, that's the number 1, that's the number 2. There you go. See, I'm putting my flesh at risk so that you don't mar it. Alright, we are going to just give it a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty tight. You're sly. I didn't think you were pushing that hard. That's pretty good. Cool. Alright.
Pickups now? Okay.
We got to get the bridge and the strings on so that we can line up the pickups with our E-strings. So there you go. Put those in. And try to collect some of the debris here. I think we're done with whack. Oh no, we do have those to deal with. Okay. Let's go ahead and do these. So I already drilled a hole in the butt end, so this is just a matter of doing that. Screw away. I think you want the number 1. You can test it though. You know, hold on to the screw and just see how it fits it. It's a little sloppy. You might want to go to the number 2. If not, you're all good.
Looks good.
This is the exciting part.
Yeah. Looks good, two-toed.
It doesn't look bad. You know? I mean, yeah, if you decide you want a light guitar, you know, wood tone guitar with little splotches on it.
Stickers all over it.
That's right. By the time you put all your death metal stickers on here, it won't matter.
Picture of me on there.
That would be just really sad. All right, where'd you say you were going to want the other button?
Like right here somewhere.
Right here, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
That'll help you on your balance. If the farther forward you can put it, yeah, right here on the flat spot. There it is. So that's the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
You always got to ask yourself questions like that. So right about there. And I think we can actually go with that bigger bit that we had. This is the smaller one. Go ahead and show you that one first. And go ahead. You don't have to worry about going through the front. That's not long enough, but you know, about to there.
Okay.
It's good. I'll grab that bigger bit. As square into the body as possible. That's wonderful. So that's on low too. We can speed that up a little bit. So where's our check our piece of maple there? This was the bigger hole. Yeah, we're good. Good. All right, go ahead and just ream that hole out. And
So that's for the straps?
yep.
The bolt, the strap?
Yes, sir. Awesome. Let's just do this.
those screws. Here.
Yep. Thank you. All right, so your wrap. These are the same ones. I don't think we did that on camera. They're the same ones we set the intonation up with.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll start with those, and that'll just get our keep our bridge in place. The other thing is I don't have one handy here. Usually you can use just a pink eraser.
Mm-hmm.
You know those little pink erasers? Well, that didn't fit too good.
There's a little piece of eraser over there.
You can push that pink eraser thing right up against it, and that holds it in place while you're changing strings and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I missed the, I should say I missed it because you're just doing what I tell you to do. Missed that a little bit. These things don't have a lot of slop on them. There we go. That's kind of funky. It'll straighten out when we put some pressure on it, but I don't like that. The winding, the ball.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much. You just do that, tighten that up. Grab my cutters. Is it windy? Sounds windy. Or is that rain?
Sounds like rain. Rain. Rain and wind.
Yeah.
Kind of
Go front and back here so that we don't accidentally get anything showing. Side to side. You gotta go right about there. You're gonna see that line there. There you go. All right, go ahead and punch the holes. I'll hold it. You can hold on to that. I meant while I hold the pickup, not while I hold it. Make sure the thing's plumb when you're doing that. Is it just me, or is it just the angle look like you're leaning toward me?
It's pretty.
that looks straight.
Okay, good. Good.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so a little bit of tape. Get one of your screws out. You're just gonna go like that. Okay, so it's just about to the bottom of it. We'll go a little deeper than we need to. So it's just going straight in. Go ahead and do that one. Should have looked at that first anyway, or thought about it before. Our hole is gone right through there. Okay, so what you want to do is be very careful when you hit a void to stop, because you don't want to go through your wire. Okay? And if you do, if that's the case, then we're going to want to, okay. Didn't look like it dropped. We don't have to cut the screw off then. Okay. So just as a note, side note, when you're doing this and you're going in, right? Once you're ready to apply, you can just hold it. You know, right? Okay, now we're going to do this one as well. Actually, let's just pop a couple screws in this guy. Use wax. Yeah, you want that one. We'll make sure that's where it needs to be.
Don't tighten it all the way, just so you got.